Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing on formation of adjectives. How adjectives are formed. You know very well that what are nouns. Sometimes in some places some adjectives are formed from nouns as well as from verbs. How? Let us see. First we will see from nouns. See the first word, anger. What is anger? Anger is a noun, abstract noun. From anger, angry is made. And what is angry? Adjective. Anger, angry. Next example, danger. What is danger? Noun. From danger, dangerous. And what is dangerous? Adjective. Do you understand? Let me give few more examples. Wealth. What is wealth? Noun. From wealth, wealthy. So what is wealthy? Wealthy is adjective. Then beauty, peace. What is beauty? Noun. What is peace? Noun. From beauty, what we can make? Beautiful. And from peace, peaceful. So beautiful and peaceful are adjectives. Do you understand? Let us move forward. From verbs, accept. What is accept? Accept is a verb, first form of the verb. Its second and third form, accepted, accepted, before accepting. And from accept, acceptable is made. What is acceptable? Acceptable is an adjective. Then next one, create. What is create? Verb. Create, created, created, creating. Okay. From create, creative. Creative is made. What is creative? Creative is an adjective. Next, inform. What is inform? Verb. From inform, what we can make? Informative. What is informative? Adjective. Then help. What is help? Verb. From help, helpful. Then attract. What is attract? V1, verb. From attract, attractive. Are you getting? So try from your side as well. Pause the video button and write 2-3 example from nouns and 2-3 example from verbs in your rough note. Let me rub the board. Next, compound adjectives. Do you remember I have taught you, we have learnt compound nouns. What are compound nouns? Compound nouns are formed by combining 2 or more words. There are 3 compound nouns are there: closed, open and hyphenated. Here also almost the same. Here compound adjectives. Let us see the definition of compound adjectives. Compound adjectives are formed when two or more words are joined together to modify the same noun. The words are usually separated with a hyphen. It is called hyphen, you know very well. Let us see examples. He submitted a 10-page assignment. Here compound adjective is 10-page. Here we have used hyphen, 10-page. Easily we can identify by seeing hyphen. Okay, second example. Don't give me half-baked ideas. Half-baked ideas. Then they have a 2-year-old daughter. So here in these three sentences, compound adjectives are 10-page, half-baked and 2-year-old. And one more thing you should remember, hyphen is not used, or we can say hyphen will not be used if the first part of compound adjective ends with ly. If the first part of compound adjective ends with ly. See, this is first part and it is second part. It is called first part. First part, first part, first part. When the hyphen is not used, if the first part of compound noun ends with ly. Here see, I had to eat from a badly cleaned plate. Here see, badly cleaned. Badly cleaned is compound adjective, but we can't use here hyphen because of first part ends with ly. This is a rule condition in grammar. Do you understand? Hope it is clear to you. That's all for today.